Hi everyone, this is Edward speaking, and today we're going to talk about International Phonetics Alphabet, IPA. Let's start. We can see here the definition of the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA. Right, if you want to read it, you can do it, right? And this time we are going to read it. All right, enough time to read it. All right, go ahead. Okay, we got the chart here of the vowels and consonants. Right. Let's start with examples. A, mother, mother. A, mother. Love, love. A, E, Z, U. We got the sample here. Father. The next one is sleep. We got here mud, mud. The next one bed, bed. The last one cinema, cinema. The first one is learn, learn. The next many, many. Rock, rock. Call, call. Wood, wood. The last one. Okay. Food, food. Life, life. No, no. The fourth one. Aid, aid. The last one. Home, home. Go, go. Okay, the first one. Boy, boy. Air, air. Here, here. All right, we're already finished with the vowels, so we're going to start with the consonants. The first one, bad, bad. Lady, lady. Destination, destination. Flight, flight. Gate, gate. Hello, hello. Yellow, guest. The second one, cat, cat. Little, little. Lemon, lemon. Runaway, runaway. First one is booking, booking. Map, map. Red, red. Tried, try. See, see. She, she. Crash, crash. Terminal, terminal. Shake, shake. Both, both. Think, think. Mother, mother. The, visa, visa. Window, window. Zoo, zoo. Baggage, baggage. Pasture, pasture. Agency, agency. And that is all. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.